Hey everybody! Today I thought we'd work on something a little fun. I got these from a friend of mine over at the Ice Monster Garage. And we're going to put these on the old truck today. These are ones you get off of eBay. I assume that's where I got it from. So when you open the box, this is what you get. You get the little air pump. A little bag of bolts and little clamps for the hose, put on the horns. Get five of them, and they're not metal, by the way, they're plastic. One relay, no pigtail or nothing on it, so that's kind of dumb. But so now all I gotta do is find a bracket to put them all on, and we'll get them in the truck and be like the Duke boys. So I found this little piece of aluminum in the scrap pile. Thinking about just mounting them something like that on there. See if we can space it out right where it all works out good. First we'll have to put it in the proper order, I guess. Something like that. Maybe mount that one right there. Think that'll work. Just have to pop some holes. Alright, I'll use those holes on the ends. Mount it in the truck, and then I'll just mount this all in there like that. So I got all the this marked all out at 2.5 inches across, or I should say to each center. So I'll just plop them in there, and so I'm going to use that one, and then I got it all laid out. Nothing super high precision here. Close enough is good enough. Just like that. Got all the holes in, except for the one for the little motor. That'll be over here somewhere. I don't know yet. There, I got everything mounted. I had to change it up a little bit. I was going to have all the air horns go from this way all the way over here, then have the air pump over here. But you know, they send you the most minimal amount of tubing, so I had to put it in the middle, and I still was a little short, so I had to use a piece of hose that I had. So that should work. Next step is I'm gonna go mount it in the truck. I just have these two bolts, one on each end, and I'll just drill holes in the truck and then put nuts on the back side, and then there's where the wiring goes in, right there. So it should be almost done. Let's pluck a couple little holes in here, and just like that. Now this should just go down in these holes I just drilled, and just like that. Hopefully it clears the hood. That part I'm not 100% sure on. Just clears it. I would say that's good planning, but it's just luck. Well, I guess it wasn't good luck, because after watching the video, The hood just barely hit here, and then I have to have wires come out of there. So thinking I might just flip this around and have this end over here. We'll see how that goes. There, I got the little air compressor flipped around. Now the wires will come out this side. Should give me a little extra clearance on this side. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, look at that. Plenty of clearance. Although rerouting this hose likes to kink here a little bit in there. Next time I go to the Lowe's or something, I'll pick up some, see if I can find some tubing like this and make them a little longer. So I hope it doesn't affect the sound too much right now. Got it all in there. I even used their cheap little relay. I got to tuck up some wires a little bit better. And then up into the engine, up in the cab, I just put a simple little switch on there that holds my tachometer and my air fuel ratio meter on there. I didn't feel like drilling any more holes into the well, I didn't want to drill any holes into the dash, so I just stuck it there. And same for the little relay, I just put it on here. I didn't want to drill any more holes into my truck than I have to. So this is the eBay specials. Let's see what it sounds like. It sounds similar. Sounds like it's missing that last note though, almost. I don't know. Well, there you have it. If you're thinking about buying cheap eBay Dixie horns, that's what you get. See ya.